The Advanced Guide to Microsoft Word 2013. Prepare to share. Another Computer Mama Guide. Say you needed to prepare the quarterly report for Charlotte's website. It is an important document, so it should be free of errors. Before you distribute this information on the company server or on the Internet, you should prepare it for publication. In this lesson, we're going to use the tools on the Review ribbon to prepare a document. The Review ribbon includes proofing, language, comments, tracking. There is a sample file that you can download and use if you wish, but it does not have to match. Just follow the pieces and we'll get there. The ribbon that we're going to focus on is Review. So, if you are ready, please start Microsoft Word and open a sample document. Microsoft Word organizes all the proofing tools on the Review ribbon. Click on Review and what do you see? There are 6 groups: proofing, language, comments, tracking, changes, compare, and protect. Keep going. There are 4 proofing tools: spelling, research, thesaurus, and word count. Checking the spelling is like getting dressed for work. You really should do it. This sample document has several words which are misspelled. If your document doesn't, please type a word incorrectly and try the demonstration. Here we go. Review, proofing, spelling and grammar. What do you see? There should be a new task pane on the right-hand side. If Word finds something that's not in the dictionary, you can choose from a list of suggestions. You can also ignore or add to the dictionary. Look again. You can listen to the sound to see how it's pronounced. Keep going. There is a word in this document and I am not certain if I've chosen the right one. You can use Microsoft Word to look up the definition. I've double-clicked the word winesap. Now, go to Review, Proofing, Define. What do you see? The dictionary returned a definition of winesap. It is an apple that is red, juicy, and tart. You can close the dictionary definition with the little X in the upper right-hand corner of this panel. Keep going. A dictionary or an encyclopedia sorts words alphabetically. A thesaurus groups the word together by their meanings. Select the word crisp. Go to Review, Proofing, Thesaurus. What do you see? There are 3 groups of words in this task pane. The words that are similar are called synonyms. The words that have opposite meanings are called antonyms. And there is another group for related words. When you find a good word, you can right-click it to insert it into your document. Go ahead and close the thesaurus. There's one more proofing option. Keep going. So how many words do you think are in this document? It's not a silly question. More and more online forms limit you to the number of words or the number of characters. Before you begin, just place your cursor anywhere so it is no longer selecting one word. Go to Review, Proofing, Word Count. The word count includes the number of pages, words, as well as a character count. Character count includes with and without spaces, paragraphs, and line marks. OK, close the word count. From left to right on the proofing tools, we have done spelling and grammar, define, thesaurus, and word count. Let's see how this button works for translate. Select the words peanut pumpkin. Go to Review, Language, Translate. What do you see? There are 3 options. You can translate the document, the selected text, or use the mini translation. Click on Translate Selected Text. A new pane will open up on the right-hand side. The text you selected will be at the top of the search box. In this example, I'm translating the English into French. If you're translating a section of type into a different language, you can indicate which language you prefer for the translation. When you set the proofing language, the spell checker and the other proofing tools will match the language you selected. Try it. Go to Review, Language, Language. Click on Set Proofing Language. What do you see? Microsoft Office has an extensive list of language that it supports. Click OK to close the language options. If you're working with a team of people, comments can be useful for sharing your thoughts or correcting a document. Here are the steps. Place your cursor somewhere where you'd like to insert a comment. Go to Review, Comments. Click on New Comment. What do you see? There should be a new comment on the right side of the document in the markup area. The comment has the name of the reviewer, and the reviewer's picture may or may not be displayed. Go ahead and type something. Fast forward. I have added several comments to this document so that I can work with the proofing tools. When you have more than one comment, you can navigate with the Previous and Next buttons. The steps to delete a comment are simple. Select the comment, go to Review, Comments, Delete. So we can use comments to document what we have changed. There is another way. Microsoft Word has a program for tracking all the changes by each reviewer. Try it. Go to Review, Tracking. Click on Track Changes. I've scrolled to the beginning of this annual report and changed the date. What do you see? In the markup area on the right-hand side, it indicates who did what was deleted, and what was added. I've gone through this document and made other changes. The document markup includes several things, including comments, insertions, deletions, and other editing. You can customize how much or how little you wish to display. Go to Review, Tracking, Show Markup. What do you see? You can choose whether to show all or some of these. Look again at the balloons. You can use the balloons to place the comments in the review area or have them in line. All of my editing was tracked by Microsoft Word, so now I can use the tracking tools to accept or reject the changes. Go to Review, Changes, Accept. What do you see? There are 4 options. You can accept this one and move on to the next. You can accept just this change. You can accept all changes. And the last one, accept all changes and stop tracking. If you're doing the example, don't change anything yet, just keep going. Every option has more. The same with tracking. Go to Review, Tracking, Change Tracking Options. Here you can modify what you'd like to show or not. Click on Advanced Options. These are the options for changing the color for each reviewer. What else do you see? You can also choose how much you want to track. Do you want to track if the text has been moved and where it has been moved? Click OK. Keep going. This lesson is called Prepare to Share. Microsoft Word has a backstage view where we can inspect the information before we send it out. Try it. Go to File, Info. What do you see? On the right-hand side is information about this document, including the word count and the total editing time. If you click on Advanced Properties, you can add your company name, as well as any tags if you wish. On the left-hand side, you can inspect the document. Click on Check for Issues. Click on Inspect Document. The document inspector will open. It has a list of the things that are being selected, including comments, revisions, properties, task panes, as well as headers, footers, and watermark. It is also looking for hidden and invisible content. Click on Inspect Document. What do you see? Microsoft Word will summarize everything in the Document Inspector. You can choose to remove them all, one by one, if you wish. For me, I would have left the headers and footers. They're important to a document. Close the Document Inspector, and let's keep going. Before you share your document, you have to consider what type of security you would like to use. Is this wide open, or is this locked down? Let's see what's available. Click on Encrypt with Password. You will be prompted to enter a password. Please write your password down. Password is security and there is no undo. Click OK. What do you see? The document has a banner now indicating that it is password protected. How do you remove a password? Go to Protect Document, Encrypt with the Password. This time when you're prompted, backspace out all your password characters and leave it blank. It's just that simple. Blank password. Click OK. The yellow security banner is gone as well. In the lesson that we had on creating forms, we used a button called Restrict Editing to make our forms interactive. If you look in the Backstage view here, there is an option to restrict editing here. Try it. What do you see? We've left the Backstage view and gone back to the document. On the right-hand side is the task pane for Restrict Editing. Try this. Click on Allow only this type of editing and choose Track Changes. And click on Yes. Start enforcing protection. As Arlo Guthrie used to say, this document has been inspected, injected, rejected, detected, and selected. Go to File, Info, Protect Document. Mark it as final. What do you see? When a document is marked as final, it will have a yellow security banner. When a user opens your document, there will be a yellow security banner at the top as well. But what do you see? It is marked as final to discourage editing, but a user can click Edit anyways. What's that all about? One last option in the Backstage. Version control. Say you lost power while you were working on this document and your document closed before you had a chance to save it. Tears. Fortunately, Microsoft keeps a temporary copy of everything you worked on. Sometimes you can use these backup versions to get back to work. Well, that's enough of this one. We've reviewed this document inside and out. You done good. You can get the cookie. This is the Computer Mama, and thank you for coming.